Hello students, let's continue our chapter 2 long and short. Now you open the textbook page number 18. So let's understand this question. So here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. Can you see the table here? Here they given the name of sports, world records here, and here given the Indian records. So sports name. High jump for man category, world record made by Xavier S, 2 meter 45 centimeter. Indian record Chandrapal has made 2 meter 17 centimeter. Now the next sport is long jump for man category. Mike P 8 meter 95 centimeter and Indian record Amrit Pal 8 meter 8 centimeter. Now the next sport is high jump for women category. Stefka K world record 2 meter 9 centimeter and Bobby A Indian record has made 1 meter 91 centimeter. Now the next sport is long jump for women. Galina C world record made 77 meter 52 centimeter and Anju G Indian record made 6 meter 83 centimeter. So first you have to understand this table. Okay, after looking this we have to solve this question answer from this table. So our first question is that how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? तो चंद्रपाल को और कितना जंप करना पड़ेगा मेंस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाने के लिए. सो सी द चंद्रपाल हैज़ जम्प 2 meter 17 centimeter and the world record is that which is made by Xavier S 2 meter 45 centimeter. तो कितना जंप करना पड़ेगा? हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द आंसर? सो हियर for finding the difference we have to do the subtraction. So let's see on board how to solve this answer. See this. Xavier's record is 2 meter 45 centimeter and Chandrapal record is 2 meter 17 centimeter. So Chandrapal how many centimeters should more jump? So we have to find the difference. So finding the difference we have to do the subtraction. So subtractions from the bigger number. So for doing the subtraction 2 meter and 45 centimeter. So here the subtraction of meter and centimeter. So first you have to write the unit first meter and another side centimeter. So 2 meter. So on meter side I will write 2 and centimeter side I will write 5. Then subtract 2 meter 17 centimeter. So on meter column 2 and centimeter 17. So then you have to do the subtraction from the same way. 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to borrow. So it will be 3 and this become 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. So Chandrapal should 28 centimeter more jump to equal the men's world record. Understood students how to find the answer? So our next question is how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? So here Bobby A jump को 2 meters तक पहुँचने के लिए कितना jump करना पड़ेगा? How many centimeters more she should jump? So first see in the table Bobby A jump 1 meter 91 centimeter and she should reach to jump high 2 meters. अगर 2 मीटर तक पहुंचना है तो कितना करना पड़ेगा? सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस. फॉर फाइंडिंग द डिफरेंस वी हैव टू डू द सब्ट्रैक्शंस. द सेम वे हियर द नंबर्स आर गिवन इन मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट मीटर एंड देन centimeter. Always subtraction from the bigger number. So here first you have to write 2. There is no number in centimeter, so I will put 0 minus 1 meter 91 centimeter. So 1 is in meter side and 91 is on centimeter side. Again do the subtractions. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So borrow, that is also 0. So not possible. We have to borrow from here. So it becomes 1. This become 10. We need to give the next one also. So this again 1 less. So this become 9 and this 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So she should jump 9 centimeter more to reach 2 meters. Understood students? उसको 9 सेंटीमीटर ज़्यादा जंप करना पड़ेगा 2 मीटर्स तक पहुंचने के लिए. ओके. Now our third question is Galina's long jump is nearly, option is that 7 meters, 7.5 meter and 8 meters. So first we have to see the tables. Say this, Galina made a world record 7 meter and 52 centimeter. Okay, so it's nearly about a 8 meter. We can say 8 meter. Okay, because it's 7.5 meter means 7.50 centimeter. 7 meter and 50 centimeter. That means the answer will come a 8 meters. This one will become. Okay. Understood students? So now our next question is, look at the women's world record. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? Here we have to see the world record of women. Here we have to find the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump of women. So longest jump of women world record is 7 meter 52 centimeter and the highest jump of women is 2 meter 9 centimeter. So we have to find the difference. Again find the difference, that means we have to do the subtraction. Now let's solve on board how to do it. Let's solve this answer. The longest jump of women's world record is 7 meter 52 centimeter and the highest jump is 2 meter 9 centimeter. We have to find the difference. Okay, so we have to do the subtraction. Again here the subtraction of meter and centimeter. So first we have to write meter and then centimeter. So write the first bigger number first, that is 7 meter and 52 centimeter minus 2 meter and 9 centimeters. So 9 you should write here and here no number, you should put 0. Okay, now do the subtraction. 2 minus 9 is not possible, so we have to borrow. So this becomes 4 and this becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 4 minus 0 is 4 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the difference between the longest and the highest jump is 5 meter and 43 centimeter. Understood students? Okay. Our next question is that if Mike P could jump dash centimeter longer, his jump would be full 9 meter. So you have to see in the table, Mike P jump is given 8 meter 95 centimeter. माइक पी ने कितना जंप किया? 8 मीटर 95 सेंटीमीटर. अगर उसको 9 मीटर तक जंप करना है तो और कितना जंप करना पड़ेगा? सो हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आंसर? ही वुड जंप लॉन्ग इज इक्वल टू 9 मीटर माइनस 8 meter 95 centimeter. We do the subtractions and we get to find the answer. Okay, so again write meter and centimeter. 9 meter first लिखना है, but this is a bigger number. There is no in centimeter, so I put 0 minus 8 meter and 95 is a centimeter. Okay, so do the subtractions. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Borrow it, but here also 0, it's not possible. So we take from here. So this become 8 and this number become 10. We have to give the next number also. So 10 minus 1 is 9 and this become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. So he would jump long 5 centimeter more. उसको 9 मीटर कंप्लीट करने के लिए 5 सेंटीमीटर और ज़्यादा जंप करना पड़ेगा. Understood students? So we go to the next question. Question 6 is, whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? Half meter means what? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means half meter. Half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. That means, see the options are given here. इनमें से किसका जंप 2 meter and 50 centimeters से close है, नज़दीक है. So see in the table. See here. What is the option? That Stefka K, that is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Chandrapal record is 2 meter 17 centimeter. Xavier S record is 2 meter 45 centimeter, and Bobby A record is 1 meter 91 centimeter. So in this 4 option, which is close to the 2.5 meter, that means 2 meter and 50 centimeter. So Xavier S is nearest to the 2 meter and 50 centimeter, because the record is 2 meter 45 centimeter. So which is correct option? Xavier S. So you have to write here Xavier S. Understood, students? I hope you understand all this solution of this question properly. I will send the PDF of these questions, and that has to complete in your notebook. Okay. Thank you, students.